Hello guys, I will show you how to use DZ4UP.com. You can upload files and earn money with this website. Click register here or in the top menu. If you are in mobile device, click the three lines and from here you will be able to log in and register. Now click register. Fill up your informations. Click on the CAPTCHA and click register. Now the registration have been complete. You can log in now by clicking the login button in the top. Put your username and your password. Then click login. Now this is your dashboard. You can upload files by clicking the upload button. Drag and drop your file here or just click on it, then shows your file. Finally click upload. Now this is your file link. Copy it and send it to your friends or put it in your website or in your YouTube channel. People will be able to downloading the file by clicking the link. Now click on rewards to check your balance. I have $0 for now. When you reach $5, an option will be open here. You will be able to click it to put your withdrawal information and get your money. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this website useful. Goodbye.